Hello guys, welcome back to Python and phone programming series. In the last video we discussed about dictionaries. So this is a continuation of that video. If you haven't watched that video, I highly recommend you to watch that video and come back here. So in the previous class we have seen how to define dictionaries in Python, right? So let's do it one more time. So let's say I want to define a dictionary for a student. So I will say something like student. I can just start as a dictionary name, and we define dictionary using curly braces, and I want to have a name as a key and his name here. Okay, so maybe like I will take Satish here, and let's say something like I want to have his age as well. Okay, so let's assume that his age is 10. Okay, maybe you want to have ID number as well of that particular student, maybe something like 190. Okay, so this is how we can define a dictionary in Python. And similarly, if you want to access any key from the dictionary, we have to use that key. So now let's say student of what is his ID you want to know. Okay, now if you run this program, what will happen is you will get this output here. See, you got 190 as a output, so because that's his ID, right? So that's how, okay, that is how we can access the data from this dictionary. So let me comment out the previous outputs, but anyways, come here. So now let's say something like you want to update, okay, you want to update any value, okay, you want to update any value from this dictionary. Let's say something like here the age is 10. Now you realize that he is not 10 years old, but he is 9 years old. Okay, then how can you do it? You can simply say stud of, okay, age is equal to 9. Okay, now if you print student dictionary, that will get updated actually in this position. See, let's run this program and see here. You got name as Satish, age is 9, ID is 190. Okay, so that is how you can update the dictionary. Okay, so now let's say you have updated it. This is cool. Now you want to add one more data element to this dictionary. Okay, so maybe his phone number or maybe his city. Okay, so in this case what we can do is simply same as it is, stud, okay, dot single quotes city is equal to maybe the city name that you want to give here. I will give Bangalore here. Okay, now if you print out this dictionary, you will get that city as well as a key value pair here. You see name, age, ID and city. Okay, so that is how we can add new data to the dictionary. Okay, so if you notice here, line number 18 and 21 both are almost similar, right? So what will happen in the dictionaries is, if there is a key, okay, if there is a key with this name like age, it will try to update it. And if there is no key, so in this case city, so there is no key called city in this dictionary, so that's why it will add it to this dictionary. Okay, so that is the only difference here, guys. So if you want to update, okay, if you want to update any data in the dictionary, we have to use the key, and using the key you can update the value, or even using a new key you can add new data to the dictionary. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept, and if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section below. Till then, take care.